everyone, what is up and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Marissa here. And if you're new, make sure you hit the subscribe button to be a part of my YouTube family. Also, if you are new, like I said, my name is Marissa. I will be a sophomore in the fall at Kent State University and I am a communication studies major. Here on my channel, I am making a lot of college related content right now and I have a whole college advice playlist on my channel that is perfect if you're going to be an incoming freshman this year. I will leave that in the cards above if you wanted to check it out. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all college clothing essentials and the things that you actually need to bring to college with you clothing wise. So I don't know about you all, but I moved into college in like about a month, which is crazy. Like I feel like quarantine was just like a couple weeks ago. So I moved in about a month and I'm starting to like think about what clothes I want to take, what clothes I need to get, that kind of thing. So my hope for this video today is to really help you guys out and let you know what you need to bring with you. And I hope this can serve as a resource for you guys and kind of like a reminder of what clothes you need to bring. So I really hope this helps you out if you're going to be going to college this year. I also want to give you a super quick thank you and shout out to Duke and Duchess Jewelers, who is a sponsor of this video today. And let's go ahead and get right in. So first I wanted to cover some things to kind of think about and consider when you're actually packing your clothes up. So make sure you consider the weather and climate of your school for sure. Obviously a school in the south compared to a school here up north is going to be vastly different in what people wear. So keep the climate and the weather of wherever you're moving to in mind for sure. Also keep in mind your personal style and only bring things that you know you are going to wear. In a dorm room, you don't have much space, especially for clothes and for a lot of them. So you want to make sure you're bringing things that you know you're going to wear, that you already love, and that you're going to be comfortable in. And let's go ahead and get right in. So I'm just going to go ahead and list off some everyday casual clothing items that you should bring with you. So first I have jeans. You need jeans, obviously, like this is a no-brainer, but make sure you bring multiple washes, rips, no rips, and also black jeans I found to be super useful. Next is denim shorts, kind of depending on your school, obviously. For me personally, I can wear denim shorts going into like September, so I'll bring a couple pairs with me. I'll kind of interchange between like crop leggings and jean shorts and athletic shorts like the first few weeks. Next I have skirts. I personally wore some denim skirts throughout the first semester when it was still a little bit warm outside. Graphic or different oversized t-shirts, kind of like this one. I would definitely bring this. I'm going to bring it and wear it for sure. They're super kind of trendy and just popular right now, and they're really comfy and just nice and casual to wear on like a daily basis. Next is your jackets and coats. This definitely depends on like what kind of climate you're going to be living in, but for me, I go to school in Ohio, so it's kind of like your typical four-season kind of place. For me personally, going to the fall season, I literally wore my jean jacket like almost every single day. I really got a lot of use out of getting a jean jacket, so I really recommend bringing one of those. And then also obviously a heavy coat like going into your winter months. Next is a rain jacket. Obviously your umbrella keeps you like kind of dry, but like a rain jacket is just super nice because it might be a little bit chilly. I wore mine a lot in the fall season for sure as well. Next is dresses, if this is your style, if you wear this on an everyday basis. But I did have to bring dresses for sorority recruitment, so kind of like keep that in mind. If you think you might go through recruitment and you're not sure, you might want to just bring a few dresses, skirts, cute things like that just in case you might be going through. I also recommend bringing some kind of like cute shirts if you're like going out somewhere, maybe like on a date or like shopping for a weekend or like going out to eat with your friend. I sometimes wore blouses like this to class, like here and there too, if I felt like dressing up a little bit more for the day. Just kind of like depended on what I felt like, honestly. But I did like having a few of them in case I wanted to wear them. Alright, so my last thing under this category is dainty jewelry. I would wear jewelry of some kind every single day in college, no matter what outfit I was wearing. So if you are going, I really recommend getting yourself some pieces that you can just like wear with a lot of things. So since I love jewelry and wear it every single day, I was super excited that Duke and Duchess Jewelers reached out to me to do a collaboration here on my channel. They really have so many beautiful and high quality pieces no matter what your personal style is. But for me today, I am wearing the Irene Antique Crown Stackable Ring, the Princess Kate Bar Pendant Necklace, and the Modern Megan Bar Stud Earring. What I really like about this brand is how high quality the jewelry pieces actually are. All the pieces are super versatile and can be really worn with a lot of different looks, which I also like. And they are also super reasonably priced for a good high quality piece of jewelry. If you want to shop for the specific items that I am wearing, I will have them linked in the description box below. And honestly, I just really recommend getting yourself some cute jewelry. You really don't know like when you're going to need it, honestly, in college. So if you want to shop Duke and Duchess Jewelers, I will leave their website and their Instagram page down below, so definitely go ahead and check them out. And I also do have a discount code for them that is available for a limited limited time. This code will get you 20% off your first purchase, which I think is a super good deal for great quality jewelry. So I really hope that you check them out, and I hope that you find something that you love from them. And also thank you once again to Duke and Duchess Jewelers for sponsoring this video. And let's go ahead and get into athletic clothes. My number one item for athletic clothes is lots of leggings. I got a lot of use out of them, and literally I feel like everyone on campus for the most part wears like leggings, sweatshirts. People wear them like with literally everything, and you can honestly make it look super cute. So bring lots of leggings for sure if that is your style. Also, if you're going to the gym, which go you if you do, I try to go, make sure you bring some athletic shorts, sports bras, workout like tank tops, and also just bring like t-shirts with you. I brought a lot of like Kent State shirts with me that I just kind of like wore. Next thing is sweatshirts. As it got colder, I literally lived in them. I wore them in my dorm, I wore them in class with a jean jacket. Like I love sweatshirts. So bring those with you. They do take up a lot of space, but like honestly, as much as I wear them, I think the space is like worth it for me. My last thing in this category is to bring a swimsuit with you, like just in case. You never know when you might need it. So next I have a couple of different loungewear items. So first, you want to bring sweatpants with you, maybe like 1 or 2 pairs. Putting on sweatpants after a long day was like always such a good feeling. So also bring some pajamas, or just kind of like think about what you're going to be sleeping. So next I want to talk about going out clothes. This was something I didn't really even know I needed until I was there. So first, you want to bring a lot of tops, and you want to bring a variety. Really, when you're going out, you can honestly get away with wearing the same like black jeans or same jeans, and it's like different tops. So some ideas for tops, you can bring like halter tops, tank tops, tube tops, mesh kind of like see-through tops. And also bodysuits. A lot of people wear those going out. They're super nice. They're a little bit annoying to like go out in, but like they look super cute with jeans, so I like them a lot. My next thing is bralettes to wear underneath your tank tops or underneath your mesh tops. Black jeans are like a staple in college. I feel like 99% of the time going out in college, I wore black jeans. I think I had like 2 main pairs that I would always wear out. My next thing is ripped jeans, if you want to wear like light jeans or something. Like my next thing is belts. I didn't actually buy these until my second semester, but adding a cute little belt with like a bodysuit and jeans is like a super cool look. I kind of like that. But yeah, belts are super cute. A lot of people wear them out as well. So also I put this in going out clothes, but a normal jean jacket, like I said earlier, I wore that jean jacket out like a lot when it was cold. And also I got a black jean jacket eventually because I was always wearing black jeans. My next thing is kind of weird, I guess, but theme party items. Literally, like, as the semesters roll on, parties are going to be themed. It's just like kind of how it goes, especially if you're joining a sorority or even a frat. If you're a guy watching this, it's just like kind of a thing. So some like common themes are like jerseys, like sports jerseys, animal print, neon, America, rave, beach, decades, ski/snow, alien. I went to an alien date party with my friend, disco, stuff like that. Like I said, especially if you're joining a sorority, like you literally have date parties every semester and they're always themed in some way. But if you have something from home that like you think could work for something, like definitely just bring it and have it in your closet because you don't know when you're going to need it. Going along with this, I have game day clothes. If you know your school is a big football school or a big like basketball school and a tailgating school, get game day clothes. And my last thing in this category is going out shoes. I mentioned this before in a video, I'm pretty sure. You basically want to wear out with you a pair of like neutral shoes that are comfortable, that you can walk in, that you don't care if they get ruined because those floors are disgusting. Like, it's gross, trust me on that one. So for me, I brought a old pair of black Converse that I have, and I literally wear them out every single time that I go. So next I want to talk about professional clothes. This is a thing that not a lot of people think to bring like your first semester, which I understand, but I needed them like quite a bit my first and second semester. You need them for a lot of things, for like career fairs, job interviews, if you're in like a sorority or you're in like another student organization and you're doing like an interview for a leadership position, you might need a professional outfit. Or if you're joining a sorority, most sorority chapter meetings you have to wear like outfits that aren't denim, so keep that in mind, like dresses, skirts, dress pants, cute little blouse, that kind of thing. Something just may come up that you might not know of ahead of time, so just be prepared and bring some of these things just in case. So a couple of blouses, dress pants, that kind of thing to wear together, a professional dress or skirt if you're into that, a blazer or 2, and then also 1 or 2 pairs of neutral heels or flats that you're comfortable wearing. So last, I want to talk just about shoes, but you want to make sure that you're bringing tennis shoes. Obviously, if you're going to be walking around campus, like I brought a white pair and a really pretty blush pair pair of sandals slash flip-flops, especially for like just going back in August. That's gonna be really important. I wore my Birkenstocks like literally everywhere. Remember your heels and wedges, especially for going through sorority recruitment, or like I said before, for your like career professional stuff, just to kind of like have on hand. Going out shoes, just again, please remember them. Don't ruin your white shoes the first weekend. Just don't do it. And then for later in the semester, if you are in a cold climate, I recommend getting a pair of duck boots. They are great for snow, rain, mud. They're just really nice, and they also keep your feet like super warm. So alright, so that is all of my college clothing essential items that you really need to pack with you for school. I really hope that this video was helpful and that it can serve as a resource for you. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video today, and I hope it was helpful for you. If you have any questions about literally anything, feel free to leave them down below and I will get back to you. Also, if you enjoyed, make sure to give it a huge like and a subscribe. I would really appreciate it, and I will see you guys soon in my next one. Bye guys, thank you so much for watching.
Nation, don't be a stranger. Let me get to know